G'day, I'm Sharon and welcome. I was putting some new reels of thread onto my overlocker recently and realised that A, it was noisy, and B, it's damaging the surface of my machine. Then I remembered I have already digitised felts to cope with this. I went away and made some, and I also did some extras so that they are now in a bunch of other machine brands, and now I'm going to let you know how I make them. I'm going to hoop up 2 layers of felt. And that's about as interesting as it gets. There are 10 different machine brand names that I've got in the set, and you can stitch out any one of them. There's also a blank one, so that if you've got a different kind of machine, then you can do that. And there's a blank large. And the blank large is big enough that you can put 1 centimetre high lettering into it, and if your machine allows for arcing the lettering, it'll work. And that's what I did with this one. There's a row of long stitching around the outside of the design, and that's your cutting line. Once you've cut it off, you can pull the thread off. There is a similar row of stitching around the middle. I use that to help me to cut a horizontal and a vertical line. Doesn't really matter what direction they go, just out to that circle to allow the spindle to go through it. These designs come as a set of 12. They are available in 7 different formats, and all of them come in each of the formats. If you're trying to do something with these really super big cones of embroidery thread, like this one, the large blank one is just big enough, but if you put it into your edit screen, you should be able to make it a bit bigger. I think these are a fun thing to do as a last-minute Christmas gift for sewing friends. And if you've got an embroidery machine, it only costs $2 to get the whole lot of these designs at the moment. If you don't have an embroidery machine, take the idea and do something with it yourself, because you can put 2 pieces of felt together and make some nice little overlocker or serger felts to make it a bit quieter with your machine, and also to do less damage and less scratching on your machine. I'll see you next time.